So Jasper is a software that has become increasingly more popular, what seems like, by the day. So is this AI software as great as everyone makes it out to be? In this video, I'm going to be going over quite a few templates to give you a great Jasper demo, just to be sure that, hey, it is actually as good as a lot of people say it is, because it consistently cranks out very high quality content. With that being said, there are over 55 templates that you can use for your copywriting, your content producing, your social media marketing, your email marketing, and so much more. When it comes to this demo, I'm going to be using the AIDA framework, the PAS framework, blog post outline, and the blog post topic ideas. If you don't know what those means, don't worry. I'm going to talk to you all about this, what they mean, and how they help you out. First and foremost, the AIDA framework is the oldest marketing framework in the world. As it says up top, attention, interest, desire, action. This is going to be perfect for any online marketer of any niche or any business, because this is what's going to allow you to attract not only your perfect audience, but of course get them to take action and generate a lead, make a sale, and so on and so forth. Now, let me take a step back. Using Jasper is very easy. This is what one of the templates look like. Like I said, there's about 55 of them. They also have a long form content editor, which I'll do in a different video because, well, writing long form content is going to have much more to talk about. So I'll save that for another one. Either way, when using the template, everything that you're going to want to be adding in is going to be on the left side. All of the content that Jasper.ai is going to generate will be on the right side. So for this example and plenty of the others, I've already gone ahead and created example products, and I'm just going to be using Jasper to talk about Jasper itself. Very meta, I know, but it's probably the easiest way to do this the quickest and save a lot of time. So company product name, Jasper, just so you know, this is not my company product name. Once again, it's just an example. And here's the description I came up with. Jasper is an AI software that will help you generate content for blog posts, emails, articles, ads, and it will also help you with your copywriting. Then, of course, you have the tone of voice. I prefer witty, but there are quite a few that you can choose from, which I'm going to show you right here. Okay, we have funny, casual, excited, professional, witty, sarcastic, feminine, masculine, bold, dramatic, grumpy, secretive. You have Optimus Prime, Gary Vee, Tony Robbins, Oprah, and Tony Stark. Okay, so pretty simple. And let's go back here. Let's take this out. Outputs is going to be the number of results that you want to generate at once. Keep in mind that this is a software that's used upon the words that you generate based on the plan that you get. So you can always start at a lower amount of outputs, and then of course just generate more content. Plus, it doesn't take very long to do so. Either way, I will chop up this video so we don't have to wait, even if it is 5 to 10 seconds. Let's click Generate AI Content, and let's walk through the examples that we get. So something great about Jasper is that I've demoed this, I've used this, I reviewed this, along with many other AI software tools, and I've noticed that Jasper is up there when it comes to the quality of the content. I say that before actually reading most of this and any of the others, so let's see if that holds true. So remember, it's AIDA. Attention. Are you looking for a way to generate content? That's a great way to call out your perfect audience. Obviously, someone who needs AI, they're probably going to need help with content or copywriting. Interest. Jasper is the AI software that will help you generate content for blog posts, emails, articles, ads, and will also help with your copywriting. Similar to what I put there, right? It's an all-in-one solution that can save you hours of time every week. You won't have to worry about writing another article or email ever again. That's quite the nice benefit, especially when you can leverage this software to actually do that for you, okay? Desire. Jasper has been tested by over 100 companies, which I imagine is true. They have a lot of customers in various industries, including e-commerce, SaaS, and more. We know how important it is to get your message across clearly and concisely so we can make sure our technology was up to par before releasing it into the wild. That's kind of the witty tone of voice. I like that. And now we want you to try out this amazing tool as well. Sign up today and see what all the hype is about. And then, of course, they give a call to action. So not bad. This was a perfect example. So far, so good when it comes to Jasper. Even though I've gone through this many times, this might be the first time you're seeing it, but I hope that was a good showing for you as well. Let's look at the bottom one. Now, keep in mind that Jasper sometimes will be incorrect, and this goes with any other type of AI software out there. Remember, it is a robot, it does learn, and I've noticed that the more you put in the description, overall the better results that you're going to get. After all, if I just put AI software for online marketers, there's a lot of different AI software, and you don't always know what the goal is. So the more descriptive you can be, the better it is. At least Jasper is good at describing itself, which is always a good thing, okay? Attention. Do you need help with your copywriting? Interest. Jasper is a chatbot. So once again, is it a chatbot? No. That will help you generate content for blog posts, emails, articles, ads, and more. It's an AI software that can write thousands of words per minute. You just have to tell it what kind of content you want, and it will do the rest. With Jasper by your side, writing won't be so hard anymore. So that's a good benefit. It's like having a sidekick, a machine, a robot. But it's not a chatbot. It's just an AI software, so even if a word is incorrect, it's not all that difficult to just replace it. It is going to be the user's responsibility to fact check things. Okay. So you can't always expect, I know a lot of people expect to go in there, have it do everything and just copy paste done. There will need to be some tweaking. Okay. As long as you understand that, you're going to have a much better time with AI software like Jasper. Desire. We all know how difficult copywriting can be at times. That's why we created this amazing tool that helps you create quality content in no time at all. Just type in what kind of topic or tone or voice you want to use and let Jasper do its magic. No more writer's block or struggling with creating engaging pieces ever again. All thanks to this awesome piece of technology called Jasper. Your life as a marketer has never been easier than now when using our product on a daily basis. So don't wait any longer. Sign up today for free trial access and see how much better your marketing campaigns become once they are powered by Jasper's incredible AI capabilities. Last but not least, a call to action. Overall, very good. This was the only blip. And Jasper is a software. Jasper is a software tool. Jasper is an AI software tool. Whatever you want to do, very easy to replace. Overall, a good showing. So this is the type of framework or template that's related to copywriting, okay? Just think about how flexible this is. What I like about the fact that they have so many templates, you can use these in so many places. For example, could you use this in a YouTube video, in a script, in the description? Could you use this in an email, on a landing page? Could you use it somewhere on a webinar maybe before you they sign up is where I'm getting at, or even after, depending on if you want to make an OTO after they sign up. Use it on social media, on your website, on your blog. It's just so many spots that you can use this is what I really like about all these templates. Okay, PIS framework. As you can see up top, problem, agitate, solution, a valuable framework for creating new marketing copy ideas. I use the same exact product description, company, and once again, let's generate that AI content and see what we get. All right, so PIS, the first one, you got a problem. You know you need to be creating more content, but you just don't have the time or the ideas. Agitate. Not only do you not have enough time, but chances are you're not even sure about what to write. And if you are lucky enough to come up with an idea, it's probably been done before. Solution. Jasper will take care of all that for you. With our AI software, you can generate content for any occasion in minutes. Plus, our copywriting tips will help make your content shine. Another great thing about Jasper that I like, it's intelligent enough to realize what it just previously wrote. Right here is a perfect example. You know you need to be creating more content, but you just don't have the time or the ideas. And then it says, so pretty much it says you don't have enough time, but to continue on from that, it goes, well, not only do you have enough time as like, in addition to what I just previously said, that's some pretty good AI there. It's very smart. That might, if you just read that normally, you might not have realized that, but that's something I've come up from the quality of Jasper, which I really like. I have used some AI article writers before where it looks like it was just spun. But as you can tell, these look like literally someone wrote it. Like this is not a machine or a software. It looks better than a lot of people write, in my opinion. And that's a really good thing. You don't want to sound dull, boring. And that's what also the tone of voice is for. We can change that up. Either way. Last one, problem. You want to write great content, but you don't have time to come up with topics or write the copy yourself. It's hard to be a great writer if you're not a great thinker. That is a good point. And it's hard to be a great thinker if you don't have the time to think. I like that. That is a great line. I got to save that one mentally. Okay, anyway, solution. Jasper will help you with both of these things. With Jasper, you can generate ideas for blog posts and articles, get help with your copywriting, and even find images to accompany your content. Now, I am not sure if that is correct. I've been using Jasper for a while. I have not seen any images, so that could be a little blip. But either way, get help with your copywriting and even, spell check or, make sure your work is plagiarism free. Either way, you could add any type of benefit there. Once again, a little blip, but still the quality of the content has been fantastic. So those were two examples of frameworks when it comes to copywriting. So if you have any type of lead magnet, any product, any training, anything that you want your perfect audience to see, get, consume, buy, purchase, these type of frameworks are going to be great for you. Let's change it up a little and actually move to some that are related to blog posts. So here we have the blog post topic ideas. With this one, I came up with a random company name, Webinar Wizard. You can create automated webinars in under 5 minutes that allow you to generate leads and sales while you sleep, even if you're not a tech expert. Marketers, going to be the audience, of course. We got to do marketers. Tone of voice, I like witty. Examples, you can kind of train Jasper a little bit more if you want to give it some examples of what you like. I thought I would just keep it normal, and then let's generate that AI content. Okay, so these are going to be very short. So what I want to do is just add more and then generate, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. How to get your prospect to notice you in an oversaturated market. Okay, 14 reasons why webinars are totally overrated. I like these, especially when someone thinks it's going to be negative, and then like it's really a witty way of saying they're actually good. Okay, how to use a webinar to generate 500 leads in one day. How to create a 7. And then we have a little error. So once again, like, is this really a big deal that it just kind of ran off a cliff? Not really. I mean, some people will be like, oh, it's broken. I don't like the software. In my opinion, it's not a big deal. We just move on to the next one. How to set up a webinar in 5 minutes. 11 ways to maximize your webinar attendance. Top 5 reasons to upgrade your CRM system, because it comes with webinars. Who knows, right? What is a webinar? The 5 best places to find webinar speakers. 5 steps to creating a lead magnet that converts. That can be very helpful because you can use lead magnets when it comes to getting people to sign up. And the last ones we saw, 7 ways to build hype for your next webinar, what you need to know about webinars for your business, how to create a webinar in under 5 minutes, and 13 webinar tips for small businesses. Overall, aside from the how to create a 7, very good example, very good showing when it comes to blog post topic ideas. Last but not least, let's move to the blog post outline. So how AI copywriting software can help online business owners. Let's go to 3 is fine. If we need more, we'll do more. And let's generate that content. Okay, so the cool thing about this is it's going to have a lot of steps when it comes to the outlines. I did 3 and only did 2. Okay, we'll do one more just to get it. Okay, so here we are. Let's say that was going to be our blog post title. Now it's going to kind of give us some outlines and sections of what we can write about. Keep in mind, these don't have to be in specific order, and you can actually mix and match some from the top with the middle, with the bottom. It's going to be up to you. So what AI copywriting software is and how it works. How online business owners can use AI copywriting software to improve their website's content. The benefits of using AI copywriting software for online business owners. Examples of how AI copywriting software has been used to improve website content. That's actually pretty good if you think about it. Like, I've talked about what AI copywriting software is and how it works in this one. I've talked about some benefits just by reading a lot of the results. Not so much about website content, but if I dove deeper into it, I could. And of course, we've seen plenty of examples and how this can work for you in your online business. So that one actually matches what I'm talking about in this video naturally, which is pretty cool. Okay, next one. What AI copywriting software is and how it works. How online business owners can use AI copywriting software to improve their website's content. I think that one was there. Okay, this is actually a repeat for the first 3. Happens sometimes. The limitations of AI copywriting software and how to overcome them. Tips for online business owners on how to produce high quality content using AI copywriting software. That one was a repeat. How online business owners can use AI copywriting software to improve their website's content. The benefits of using AI copywriting software over traditional copywriting methods. Examples of how AI copywriting software has been used to improve website content. So some of those were a duplicate. I mean, that's why I'm giving you a demo. This will come up sometimes, but overall, is it that big of a deal? I mean, that's going to be up to you to answer. There's a reason why I really like this one, despite the fact that you're going to see a lot of this in most AI software tools. There will be some duplicates, some repetition, and there will be some blurbs here and there, but I don't think that would stop anyone from using it when I look at it realistically and say, hey, there's still a lot of content generated. I can still mix and match a lot of these, put them together, and create the ultimate blog post outline. But either way, that's just like 4 of the templates. They have over 55 of them. They also have their long form editor. Like I said, I can do another video on that where that's more of creating full content, full blog posts. And like I said, Jasper is very smart when it comes to creating stuff, looking at what it created before it previously and then adding on to it. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this mini Jasper demo. This was just 4 templates and it's around 15 minutes or so. So you can imagine how much content you can create with this just by going through all of the other templates. Like I say, you do about 10% of the heavy lifting. You enter in the information on the left. Jasper will do the rest, the 90%. And don't forget, you do have to tweak some things here and there. That's about it. If you enjoyed this, feel free to subscribe. There might be a link if I remember to put it down there where you can get started. But either way, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon.